stop. Similarly, there is one example. The file foo.txt can exist in both directory home Greg and home other, but two copies of the foo.txt cannot coexist in the same directory. Right? In addition, to access foo.txt file outside the home.get directory, you must prepend the directory name to the file name using directory separator. This. The same principle is applicable in the namespace. How? This is solving basically, before that it's solving two problems. That if I have, suppose that I'm creating one example here, file file 1 dot sorry file 1 dot php, right? This should be not here. Okay, no problem, let it be run here. Right? So I have supposed that I have const one variable const or name, you can say name equal to, suppose that j is there, right? So do you think I can write the same thing here with the same const? Is it permissible or not permissible? Is this permissible? Can we do this?
No, sir.
No, we cannot do this, right? So there is a conflict now. But I need something, some way that I need this name from somewhere else in this file. What I need? I need this name from somewhere else in this file. But I do not also want to, this conflict should be here. How I can do this one? So first of all, it solve the conflict, and also use from where you are referring, how you can use this name, resolve the conflict, and how you can use the different name from different namespace. So I'm just giving one example. You see here, I'm writing here namespace what writing? Foo, then var, then subspace name, sub space name, right? I'm writing this. Then there is a variable foo equal to 1, right? And there is also a function foo which is doing nothing right at the moment, right? And there is also class foo, and there is just a static method, static function, static method, static function, static method is there, right? Right? So I have created a file whose namespace is this, and this file has one constant, one function, and one class. Clear, guys? It's clear, na?
Yes, sir.
So meaning of namespace is whatever you are created here are within this namespace. Means I have created something virtual directory in which this directory this everything is foo bar subspace name, right? Got my point? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everything, these three items, this constant, this function, this class, all are within which namespace? This, right? Now, I am creating another file, file2.php, right? Here I am typing, PHP, right? I am also declaring a namespace, and the namespace is foo bar. What happened? Namespace foo sorry, it should not have mistakenly typing foo bar. Backslash is there everywhere, right? Now I'm creating, it's a little different now. Here the file name was subspace name, and here is just foo bar, and then I'm including this file also. Include file 1.php. Now this also have const same, both I'm copying here. You see, I have this namespace. Previously, what was the namespace? This one. It's a little different now. It was within bar, right? And now this is just a foo bar,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
and
sir.
also I've included everything. Here I've included that file means I've included everything now of this file.
Yes, sir.
Foo is also here. Foo is also here. Do you think now there will be conflict or not?
Sir, you didn't change the value.
Sorry?
So here also foo value equals to 1 only in this file.
So let us run this file and see are we getting any conflict or not, right? If there will be conflict, it will not print, either it will print, suppose that I am printing 2, right? Here value was what? 1.
1.
If here value is 2, if there will be no any conflict, it should print 2 na,
Yes, sir.
or 1.
Yes, sir.
Let us see what is printing. File2, file2. File 2.php. It's printing 2. How? How, guys? How that happen?
Because of namespaces, different namespaces are provided.
Yes, because all these variables are within which namespace?
Foo bar.
Foo bar.
Yes, sir.
or instead of giving this is just foo. I'm just giving one name, another name. This is bar. Still working. Why?
Yeah. Different namespace.
Different namespace. Like I was telling na, this is desktop. All these files are in which namespace? Desktop.
Desktop namespace.
Desktop.
All, and
Yes.
these files are in under
Documents.
documents. If I will create, this is the MCQ format to copy here and print this, change that content, this content will be different comes na. File name will be same, but I am printing from which namespace? Desktop.
Desktop.
So guys, you got meaning of the namespace?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's a totally organize the things in different folder, but just by writing the namespace. Clear?
But sir, we have also included the previous one, file 1 in file 2.
Yes, but included, but it also included na ki this that is in different namespace.
Yeah, that we have included.
So
But
that,
when we are printing eco-foo, how it is identifying that from which namespace this foo has to be printed?
good question, because it will look into the current namespace. This file name is first see whenever you are accessing any file and put it namespace, it will look into the current namespace,
Okay, sir.
right?
Okay, that means priority wise we have to, it will print priority wise.
It's not not about priority. Yes, you can say here the current file is this. I have written this namespace and trying to print this. If I have to use this, I have to write the bar and then foo print. Let us see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, if you have to print another one, what you have to do? Like this. So, if you want to print that one, echo, what you have to put?
Bar.
Bar, then
Foo.
oh, it's not coming like this. Yes, it should come here. Why it's not coming? So you see,
Yes, sir.
now you are able to access this one or this one, but it will looking into the current file. All the variables what you are declaring are in the namespace of this file, right? And when this file was included, it's also included that all these are declared under
Namespace bar.
namespace bar. So guys, are you clear about this namespace?
Yes, sir.
So you can change this namespace like previously this namespace was this. What is the meaning? Meaning is, and this was I think bar, right? Right?
Yes. Yes.
So it's like one level down here, more one folder created within these files, constants, function and class are there, because foo bar and these are the common na. You see, these are common. So it's looking like
मोबाइल की इंटरनेट ऑन कर लीजिए, आपका मोबाइल का इंटरनेट ऑन कर लीजिए अभी। वो ना वायर से ऐसे हुआ तो इंटरनेट वाला डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया। बात हो रहा था ना।
तो इंटरनेट तो चल रहा है ना।
नहीं, वो आवाज़ नहीं आई जो आप।
अरे भाई क्या हो गया, रिस्टार्ट हो गया।
हाँ, वो रीस्टार्ट हो रहा है। वो हॉटस्पॉट ऑन कर दीजिए।
थोड़ा ध्यान रखना यार।
हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक
आ रहा, इसमें स्पीड ही नहीं है यार। हो गया चालू।
कनेक्ट करते
चालू हुआ।
हाँ,
इसका नहीं चल रहा है। Hello guys,
Hello, sir.
sorry there was some internet issue. So my screen is visible.
Yes.
Sir.
So I hope you got something about namespace. Now I was just calling in file to foo. Similarly, if I call this method, which one? Static method. Foo colon static method, what will be called? Which method will be called? This method will be called or this method will be called?
Current file method.
Current file method. Similarly, there was another example, just calling that method, foo method. This is the foo method, right?
Yes, sir.
This will be called, and if I have to call this, if I write something like this, sub space name,
Suspace. It became suspace.
yes, sub space name, right? Then I'm calling foo. Which method will we call?
Method in file 1.
I have given only subspace name. Why? Because foo bar and foo bar was same na here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can just give the after look like folder name, and I can call this one because it's looking in this relative, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, I can call like subspace name and who. So we can do like this. So it's your choice. Either you write something like bar, sorry, foo, then bar, like this. You can write this also, and this will also work. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
You see, by applying, this is also qualified, and that is fully qualified if you are giving the name. So I can call like this also, and same thing can be called like echo
Then bar.
foo bar, and suppose I'm calling foo variable, right? So this will also work. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is printed? 212 2
So it should be 1, na?
hmm foo bar foo. Actually, I'm calling this one now, so I have to append this, right? If you're writing this only, the same meaning now.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do? You have to append this one now, right?
Yes, sir.
Now it will print, right?
Yes, sir.
Is there, if I'm writing this, is there a difference between this and this?
No, sir. Both become from the same namespace.
Same namespace. So I hope now you are clear about namespacing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am telling about this namespace because you are now going to use this next framework which we are going to learn after the lunch, right? So this understanding should be very much clear. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has some doubt? Tell me. Any one of you have any doubt in accessing the namespace? Could you please just fast try this one in 5 minutes? Create 2 files, different namespace, and try to access each one values.
Okay, sir.
Okay, great.